In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily block someone on Facebook. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to go over to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, what you want to do now is that you want to click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, what you want to do now is that you want to click on the see all options. Once you do that, it's going to show you all your friends on Facebook. So if you want to block someone on Facebook, what you can do now is that you want to select the three dots option for the person you want to block. For example, let's say I want to block this person right over here. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on the three dots right over here on the person's profile. And then what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on the block option. Once you do that, it's going to ask you again if you want to block that person's profile, and you can easily click on the block option. And as you can see, you have successfully blocked someone on Facebook. So that's how you can easily block someone on Facebook. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.